Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we've got the Bose Soundlink Color Bluetooth speaker. This is their Color 2 speaker in blue. We're going to unbox this. It is sweat and water resistant, easy connecting through Bluetooth, one app, complete control. Download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Dimensions: 5.25 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 2.25 inches thick. 3.5 millimeter auxiliary input and micro USB port. All right, so let's open this up. So you know me, I'm the kind of guy, I like to have Bluetooth speakers, especially when I'm going to the pool, going to the beach, social distancing at the beach. But I'm the kind of guy, I gotta have the music playing. And I like it to be easy. Like, I don't like those speakers that are real hard to use. So I need something that's easy, portable. So when I'm going to the beach, going to the pool, hanging out with the kids, family, friends. All right, so there's a speaker. We'll put it off to the side. Foam padding coming in the box. In here, you've got your USB to micro USB. Got your paperwork. Easy startup guide, all that fun stuff. All right, move that to the side. Anything else in the box? Nope, nothing else in the box. Okay, so the speaker. Let's open this up right here. It is blue. I really like this color. It does come in additional colors. Wow, the texture is really nice. So it does come in like that lime green color. Like, you know what I'm talking about, the Nike or like Under Armour lime green, like a coral or red, this blue, black, and gray. So on the top, you got your power button, you got your Bluetooth, volume up, volume down. Here's your speaker. It does have that rubberized grip on the bottom, so you can't move it. Shake it. It's nice. So one tap, hitting it pretty hard, it'll move right there. Hitting it this way, it'll flop over. All right, so let's set up the app and turn it on. So out the box, it doesn't come with a charge, so I had to plug it in to charge it up. That being said, in the box, they're doing just like Apple and just like Samsung. There's no charge brick. They left the brick out of the box. So if you know me, I really can't stand when companies leave these bricks out of the box. So I'm not too happy about that. But the sound that's coming out of it, as you can hear, I mean, it gets pretty loud. So can you hear that? And you can feel it coming out of both sides. So if I cover this, or I cover this, it's got that stereo type of sound to it. Now, overall, I like it. It's nice, it's compact, it'll fit in a backpack real easy. I'm excited to take this to the beach. Let me know what your thoughts of it are in the comments below. Let me know if you have one of these, because I really like it. So I'm gonna test it out at the beach. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think of it. But so far, really cool product. Really like it. Thanks, Bose. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.